So in this video, we'll try to repair this hard drive. So the owner brought it as the hard drive is no longer working or it's corrupted. So we try to repair it without any professional tools, but just default applications or ways method that comes with Windows. You need the storage device itself, so as in a casing drive. This is where we put the drive inside. You can see this is our main GB. This is 256. So and we'll remove this drive which is inside in the casing and replace it with this one which you need to repair, and plug it into the machine and see how it will read. Okay, so I've plugged in the hard drive, so let's try to check here. Doesn't show anything. Let's try it on disk management. Okay, so as you can see, he is leading here. So we use CMD so that to delete up all those partitions. We use a tool called disk part. So just a disk part. First command, just type list disk. Okay, so as you can see, 256, which is this one here. So select disk 2, then clean. Command is successful. Then I'll go back to disk management again. You have to initialize it. So initialize disk. So choose between MBR or GP. So I'll go with GPT. Okay, next, just new volume. Next, then you give it a name. The next, finish. So therefore, we have successfully repaired the drive without any issues. No professional tools. So this method is applicable even to a USB drive. If it has some issues, try this way, then it should be good.